You got everything? So guys, welcome back. Me and Josh are at another cemetery. I'll have to get the name of this one later. This is another kind of forgotten one. Super old, from the mid-late 1800s. Small cemetery. It's been forgotten about. But we are here, and we are going to check this shit out. Porcupines! Porcupines, dude! Look at this guy! Hey, what's up? Okay, so this is a porcupine? Okay, let's see. We need to go through the woods, dude.
Isn't there a chair?
Where?
It's just a log.
Ugh.
Oh shit.
Oh. Here, take that. So we...
There's a sign of me.
We have just walked down this trail through the woods. Here, light up that sign. What is that?
What is it?
It's a deer laying down. It's deer laying down. Point at the sign. Hold on. Take it off the deer for a second. We'll get back to it. So we had just got to Glen Arbor Township Cemetery. Okay. Kind of in the middle of nowhere. But so far we got a porcupine and a deer, I'll take it. But yeah, look at some of these headstones. They're just rocks, man. They're just rocks. So what we had found out is within the past year or two, a committee has been making an effort to restore the cemetery and honor those who have been buried there. Many of whom have been buried for over 100 years without a grave marker. So what they've been doing is they've been using ground-penetrating radar to help locate the bodies. And honestly, the vast majority of the bodies located by ground-penetrating radar were likely unmarked for over 100 years. And as you will see in this footage, a lot of these bodies in the cemetery were unmarked.
Hold on.
Yeah.
This is cool. Oh.
This is, yeah.
Yeah, you go.
Real deer don't run off, do they?
No, only the fake ones do.
Oh, okay, so it's a fake deer. Cause attention. So this is the Glen Arbor Cemetery, man. That is nuts. And yes, the mosquitoes are horrible tonight. So these headstones, there's only a few real headstones, man. Come on. Yeah, it's still watching us, man. Yeah, no, she's still watching us. She hasn't ran off
Do you hear the noises this thing is making?
Kind of. So,
SRA regular.
where are these yellow flags?
You all leave.
You all leave.
Again. Huh? This one just says 9. These are cemetery markers. So they must have, what had happened is they marked these. They freshly probably found all these bodies buried here and started marking them and preserving them. That's kind of interesting because look, these rocks aren't old. We got some old ones. Dude, I don't think we've ever been told get out so many times. That's really scary, to be honest. It's weird.
Stop.
Trumbull, 1926, 1927. These are all 1885. The Trumbull family, huh? That's what this looks like. This looks like it's all the Trumbulls. Died at rest, age 71, 1926. Yeah, these are wife of Philander P. Schmidt. Mike. See, she's coming back. Jesus, man, these go over a ways.
Yeah, let's go back in.
But, like, the crazy thing is, some of these have actual old school headstones. Some of them don't, man.
Oh, it's weird.
What is that? No,
Oh,
that's a mouse. That's a kangaroo mouse. Where'd he go? This. Huh? Look at this guy. This kangaroo mouse. And off he goes.
Envelope.
1855 to 1903.
Oh, yeah. What a long motherfucking time ago.
Look.
There had to be fucking graves right here, man, where the flowers.
Look, dude, this deer is just hanging out with us in the cemetery.
Anybody want something to say?
Be sure that
1903. Like, see, a lot of these headstones just rocks. There's very few actual headstones. Let's go over here. This cemetery stretches a ways too. It's not that small. It's tucked in the woods. I'll have to do some B-roll and talking over this video if you like to Where do you think that deer went?
Probably into the woods.
We're looking for like a 10-degree flux.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here, let me see that. I'll church you up.
I have a device in my hand that if you would like to talk to us, you can.
Or if you don't, that's fine too. You don't have to talk to us.
Yeah.
We wouldn't mind it if you did, though.
Hope you like to stay where we
I mean, we mean no harm personally. All of these bodies are buried here. And most of them will never get a fucking name. We don't know, we won't know who they were, who they are.
kill it.
I mean, kind of sad.
It is sad, but it looks like they're trying to restore it. Like maybe that's why the gravestones are kind of marked. Maybe they're restoring it. It overgrew.
Oh, you're thinking maybe they have the headstones?
Yeah, they picked up the originals and just marked them, and then once they cut it all down, they'll bring them back.
See, I didn't know if they like came out here with like a fucking underground scanner and just found the bodies underground. You know what I mean? And started marking them that way.
Headstones.
Maybe, but think like
I'm sure your ground's probably been interrupted. Some of you are not at rest right now. With all this restoration going on. Yeah, now I don't have to worry about running out.
I introduce.
Just a
yeah, dude, they're eating me alive right now. But we're probably gonna have to get headed here in like few.
Yep. It's your last chance, guys. We're heading out of here. Anything you want to say?
to us.
Don't do that. Does that laser bug you?
Right.
What?
What about you?
Laser took out.
What? There's somebody laughing.
Yeah, how about you quit laughing at us? If you're gonna laugh at us, why don't you do something?
Fighting.
You wanna fight me?
You wanna fight? Which one? Who wants to do it?
Who wants to do it? Is it you guys over here?
I bet it's me.
Simon.
Ignorant.
Oscar with
That was really loud. I feel like somebody's yelling at us. Good. Good. Arthur and Alice. God, these fucking bugs. Alright, well, since nobody wants to peek out and say hi. You're tired of these mosquitoes. Eating my trash.
with humor. Faith. I'm really this.
Somebody's speaking French. No, I ain't black.
Alright guys, we're gonna make our way to the exit. So if you're gonna speak, no.
Somebody's speaking French.
So we're gonna glance at Alright guys, so thanks for joining us on this interesting mission to another abandoned graveyard. You come up with your own conclusions. We're just here to show you some cool shit. Until next time, guys.